Hi friends, welcome back to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today topic is we need to install AWS CLI. So today we are going to install AWS CLI on Windows, Linux or Mac. So today we can go for Windows. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow we can cover that Linux and Mac session. So what exactly we are going to discuss today? Uh, like uh, First we need to understand what is AWS CLI. AWS CLI tool, we can interact with the AWS commands. So you can just read it here. A tool that enable you interact with the AWS services using commands in your command shell. So if you are installing in Linux, you can use the Linux platform to interact with the AWS CLI commands. If you are installing Windows, you can use the command prompt to interacting with the AWS commands. So direct access to public API of the AWS service. You can develop scripts to manage your resources. It is open source, like anywhere it will be available. Alternative, you can use the AWS console also. So directly we can open the terminal in AWS console also, that we will see later in future sessions. It is already there my YouTube channel. You can go through the all videos, you will get it how we can directly log in the AWS console also. Okay, that is one of the topic. So we can install AWS CLI like Windows or Linux on Mac, any platform. So this is open service, right? So we can install any platform. So this is the link for Linux and Windows. You can open this link in directly like your Google. Otherwise you can search it also. Let me open here. See, this is the link. Install AWS CLI version 2 Windows and Linux. Currently this is the latest version. So this is the latest version. Currently it is running. We can upgrade also, it will happen if you are using old version, right? You can download and upgrade also, it will possible directly. And directly, for example, you are running older version 1.2 something, you can download directly latest on AWS CLI, download the CLI version, install. You can download this MSI version. Currently whatever latest version you will get it. You need to download and install, that will require. Okay, and you can search directly Google also. Let me show you. AWS CLI installed on Windows. Okay, you will get it directly this link. Amazon link also there. Otherwise, you can go how to install AWS CLI. You can open this. This is the same link. Whatever I showed you previously, this is the same link. You will go and open this. You will get it. This is the page you will get. Once you click here, it will download directly here. Once it is download, you need to install this. So it is installing my end. Click on next, accept all the next, install it. Yes. It is installing. It will take 1 or 2 seconds, 1 or 2 minutes only. Less than 2 minutes, it will complete this. Okay, completed the AWS command line interface V2 setup. Finish it. Now open the command prompt. Open CMD. Just type AWS version. See, you will getting the AWS version now. This is how we will install that AWS CLI on Windows Server. Tomorrow we will go on Linux and Mac. We will check that how we can install. Here we can directly Windows. We are directly downloading the MSC. Then we are installing. Then once you install, you can check it the version. Okay. The AWS configure also you can check. Sorry, need to check the list. Icon is not required. Configure list. So this is currently I am not setting any configure list. This we will check tomorrow. I'm just interacting with the AWS comments only. That's it. Today class we will discuss on tomorrow. Thanks. Bye. You need to go through this all the videos like our YouTube channel is already we have completed most of the AWS videos. You can check on there. You can check here also this video. You will get it how to install the Linux also. Use this curl command unzip it and directly you can use the sudo and install it. If you are using root directly you can install it. If you want specific version also you need to mention here. Okay, okay guys, thanks all. Bye.